freestyle motocross team. Nicely done. He gives us a can, a double can. One off to the left, one off to the right. Nicely done by Aaron Trump. Let's see what Mike Adair has in store. Veteran rider going out, and he completely lets go. Two tricks in one right there, no-hander, and a double seat grab. Little Bobby C, Superman seat grab right there from Jared Brock. Nicely done, Jared. Normally these guys would be pulling these tricks off for points indoors from a dirt takeoff to a dirt landing. Wouldn't have to worry about so much the lighting or the outdoor conditions, although tonight it's absolutely perfect. And they can try to do these tricks for sport and for points. Jared Brock, that's a tough trick. He just gave us a can and a one-handed landing, ladies and gentlemen. Tough to do. He just pulls it off. Nicely done. A little helicopter up in the air, but in the air. Good job by Mike Adair. Jared Brock going out now. Unbelievable. Nice job, kicks it off. Here goes Jared. We'll give these guys one more hit each and see what we pull off here. Going up. Little hook back, heart attack. Mike Adair went up for the second last time in 2013. No-handed with a seat grab. Good job. For the final time, ladies and gentlemen, from Beaverton, Ontario, Jared Brock. And he lays it back for you and gives you a lazy boy. For the final time, 2013 World Tour. We're closing it off with Mike Adair. That will not be his final jump of the season, I promise you that. You give us one more. You give us one more, big fella. You give us one more, you can do it. Look, this guy has been representing Canada all over the world. He represents our nation as a true gentleman. Show a little love with his final jump. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been your